Yesterday I had a problem with this earth point here, and the problem is that this part of the frame isn't earthing well. However, there is a bolt on the other side of this which I'm thinking I can possibly move this to, and it is even possible that this originally didn't sit here. It may well have gone down there. So I'm going to move that, but I'm still going to put in a jumper cable just to connect more of the frame together with an earth. This is the view from the other side of the frame now that I've moved the cable. This one here is that earth point that originally was mounted to the back of this one. This bolt goes directly into the frame, so we should have good continuity straight into the frame from here. And just as a backup, I'd run a discrete black earth cable, which I don't think you can really see, but it runs around the back and just connects up these rectifiers just to make sure, in case these need to be earthed, that they are connected to the earth system.